I'm back with the same truck. As you see, it looks different. You walk around with it. Look at my decals here. The back, the window got smashed. But I'll have more decals next time you see me. It's nice and black now. Pretty. Inside's almost the same. Just as clean. Here's my spot. Good weight gate pad up here. Same truck. Same thing. Shit! You ain't heard it yet? Oh my goodness, hold on. I gotta give my son, but hold on a minute. That's pretty. You sold it. $2,000. Get ready. First $5,000 takes it. Hit me up. Going to give my son.
He's going to burn rubber. What he's doing?
I'm going to show you some love. Hold on.
This is what you call a Chevy power.
$5,000. Take it. It's got balls. There you go. See you next time, Facebook.
Watch this.